It's some delicious bar I just make. I'm gonna try one to show you guys how delicious this bar is. Alright, look at this. Very pretty. We have saltfish inside and spinach, onion, garlic, and Indian spice. I have the video to show you guys how I was mixing it. Beautiful bar. See this? Pretty. Nice. I have some tamarind sour. I'm gonna break it. See how soft this is. Look at that. You guys see? Delicious, man. I can taste the saltfish in this thing. Really good. Delicious. Those are the rest. Okay. Hi, good morning. Today we're gonna make some saltfish with spinach, chickpea, grind out. It's something I'm creating, like something like flippers. Alright, I'm gonna saute this. Welcome to my channel. Good morning. This is cilantro. I'm gonna add some green seasoning. I'm gonna fry this up and then I'm gonna add it to the saltfish, and then I'm gonna mix the mixing for the scriptings. I'll fry this up a little, then I'm gonna add it to the. I never made this before. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah, pepper, onion, garlic, spinach, scallion, cilantro, and green seasoning. I'll fry this up and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the next step. Alright. You have the saltfish. You add the saltfish to it and fry it up. Taking out some flavor. The saltfish, spinach, onion, garlic, scallion, cilantro, pepper, hot pepper. No salt. Yeah, the saltfish have salt. Alright, I'm not gonna put on salt. Not even no pepper time. I have a hot pepper in here. I'm gonna mash it up fine with the saltfish. Get fine. I'll show you the rest of the stuff later. We add the rest of the ingredients now. This is split peas flour. Add a bit of that. Add some baking powder. Add some flour. There's some flour, okay? Add the sauce on. A little bit, not too much. I'm gonna add a little yeast. I'm gonna mix this up with some warm water and let it set. some jeera, some masala. I'm gonna add the water now. Mix this up. Add some more flour. More flour. The rice. This is something like similar to how you make bara. Yeah, but it's not saltfish. Put saltfish in it. It's almost, see how it tastes. Bara with saltfish. There's a name for it. Change that, make it. Add a little more flour. Let it set for like 30 minutes and then we're gonna fry it. This is the mix with the saltfish. We mixed it earlier. You guys see when I mix it. I set for 30 minutes and the rice, and then I just mix it up and then I drop back. I'm gonna fry it. This one I have saltfish inside. That's beautiful. It's like flitters, the saltfish. Spinach, onion, garlic, pepper, Indian spice, turmeric, jeera masala. No salt, no pepper. Just hot pepper. Got it, saltfish have salt. Have it nice and not too high, medium heat. I'm gonna fry the rest out and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the rest, okay? Make a few more, show you guys. Nice and clean. Let's stretch it out. Drop it in. Get the oil at medium heat. Just spread it out in your hand and just drop it. See, just spread it out with your hand like this. And just drop it. See? That's how you know perfect. The smallest saltfish. Those are ready. I'm gonna take those out.